Hello everyone, my name is Dimple and today I am presenting my project EcoSense AI, an AI powered environmental intelligence platform. The main aim of this project is to monitor environment condition, predict future climate risk, and help people's better decisions for protecting our environment. Instead of showing only raw environmental data, our platform uses AI to analyze the data and provide meaningful insights and recommendations. Now, in our project, our first slide is dashboard. This is the main dashboard of our ecosystem, EcoSense AI. Here we can see all environment information in one place. At the top, we have a different cards showing the carbon, average temperature, carbon density, and average temperature, carbon density, and water quality index. Below that, we have a graph showing historical environment trends. This graph helps user understand how environment conditions are changing over time. This dashboard also provide the AI generated environmental summary, making it easy for everyone to understand the overall environment condition. Now the second slide is air air quality monitoring. Now, in air quality monitoring, this module monitor different air pollutants like PM 2.5, PM 10, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. Based on this, Based on this value, the AI calculate air quality index and tells whether the air quality is good, moderate, or unhealthy. Now, the next slide is water analysis. This section checks whether water is safe for drinking and environmental use. This system analyzes important parameters such as pH layer, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, and lead concentrations. Using AI, the platform calculates the water quality index and classify the water as safe or unsafe. If contamination is detected, the system also suggests suitable purification method. So this is our water analysis. Now we have to go to next slide, which is our climate risk protection. Now this the user select a region and an emission scenario. Based on this inputs, AI predict future temperature rise, sea level rise, and extreme weather conditions. The graph shows climate projections up to the year 2100, helping users understand future environment risk. This can help government and organization plan better for climate changes. This is our climate risk. This is our climate risk module. Now we have to go to the last, the tree planner. This is the tree planner module. It helps user to choose different trees like such as neem, oak, bamboo, pine. Each tree has a different environment benefit like carbon absorption, oxygen production, and biodiversity support. Users can estimate how much carbon can reduce planting different trees. This feature encourages ecosystem restoration and sustainable development. AI feature. The most important part of our project is artificial intelligence. Instead of simplify displaying data, AI analyze environmental conditions, predict future risks, and detect pollution, and provide a smart recommendation. This helps user make better environment decisions quickly and efficiently. Now we have to describe the real world impact of this project. EcoSense AI can be used by government agency, smart cities, environment organization, industry, researchers, and environment and education institute. It can help monitor pollution, improve water, and all. Now this is all our project. Thank you.